my dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. I do giveaways, I do fashion, makeup, lifestyle, and relationship things. So without further ado, we are starting episode 5 of our makeup unboxing and lingerie. And I am so excited because we have our special guest, a Boxycharm Box. So this year is about playing with different makeups and getting to know and really learn about it, because I am so fascinated with makeup and I just want to get some more experience in working with it and creating and just having fun with different makeup looks. If there was some water damage, I really hope that she's going to be okay. I'd be devastated. Here's the Boxycharm. Oh my gosh, this is so soggy. Yikes. The first thing, it's a makeup brush set, so I am super happy about that. Okay, is this the February box? Because it's got like little hearts. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, so they just, oh, how fun. The brand is called Glamir. And the next thing that we have is Tula skincare, so poreless deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. It says to use it about 2 to 3 times a week. So this is not a replacement for cleanser, but an exfoliant. So Tula. Moving on to the next item. So far, I am very, very satisfied with the items. As far as the sizes and even the pieces that they have, it's quite amazing actually. Okay, so this is, it looks like Ace Beauty. So I have not heard about this retailer as well. Okay, and it's got some really pretty hibiscus, and me being from Hawaii, represent. Aloha. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what kind of colors is in this palette. Wow, now I do not have a palette like this. It's very tropical, and it also has a mirror. This is, what is this? Treatment, NCLA, so rich. Oh, it's cuticle oil. Wow, it's so pretty. And it's got little heart confetti and glitter in that. I wonder if it has a scent. Yeah, so it smells sweet. To double date, lip and cheek. Okay, Wander Beauty. Again, have not heard of this brand before. Well, I wonder. I believe, yeah, this is the February box. A little late, but not a problem. I think there's 2 items in here. Is it 2 separate or they're connected? How does this work? Oh, okay. So, wow, this is such a pretty color. I love it. Definitely being inspired, definitely. Some of these items, they'd work very well together. And what is that? Multitasking tinted and clear balm for hydrated lips and cheeks. The tinted balm blends seamlessly into skin for a natural finish. The universal clear balm coats lips and cheeks comfortably for a moistured feel. Okay, so you can use both of these products interchangeably. You can use it as on your cheeks as well as on your lips. This is like another exfoliant cleanser used 2 to 3 times a week. So these are both cleansers, but they do different things. It's very practical. Of course, if you guys already have tried out Boxycharm, you dolls would know that when you guys are setting up for your subscription, they give you like some kind of like test where you can just choose the types of items that you would prefer, and you share with them, you know, your skin type, your color of your eyes, if you like other products like lipsticks and nails or hair or things like that. So I really appreciate that. And $25 once a month for all these items, I think it's just really, really worth it so far. Without further ado, let's go ahead and create our Gyaru-inspired makeup look using these makeups. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking a little cray-cray, but that is because I am trying out a new way as far as like where to highlight. So I figured I'd just show you guys, because I saw a tutorial from another YouTuber. I don't recall her name. I just came across her channel and I figured, oh, that makes a lot of sense because of my age and different areas that I actually want to hide. Some of them I want to cover. So yeah, I figured I'd just start off like this. So let me go ahead and blend the side of the nose, of course the eye, the inner corner, up This is where I normally don't highlight, so it takes away like those wrinkly smiley lines. But I'm really happy with the palette that they did send. It's very tropical, so even though it's like spring and I think of pastel colors, this palette is a lot more vibrant, so I would say it's almost like a hot summer night. So that's kind of like the feeling, the inspiration that I'm getting, or the mood. So it didn't come with a bronzer, so I am going to use... Bitch, get it together! I'm going to use this Too Faced bronzer. It has a little bit of the gold sparkle in it, glitter, and I think that would look really good with the tropical look that I'm trying to create here. Okay, as you can see, my hair is blonde for today's look, and so I really want to kind of lighten my eyebrows. But obviously my eyebrows are tattooed, so I can't bleach them, but I did find like a color in the palette, and it's called Beach, and I think I can try to tone down my eyebrows using this eyeshadow colors. I'm also going to be using the brush that I got from the Boxy Charm bag. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I should have had you guys take a look to be able to compare the before and after, but as you can see, the brush is working great. It's harder bristles, so it really does work nicely when I'm applying the eyeshadow to my eyebrows. So yep, I think I love it because it did lighten the eyebrows, and so it's really looking like that typical Gyaru with like bleached eyebrows, bleached blonde hair, yada yada. And so I'm just finishing up here, and let's go ahead and move on to the cheeks. First, there's this balm, right, that we have to try to figure out. I'm kind of concerned as to like why I would need to use a balm on my cheeks, but you know, I'll definitely put some balm on my lip. Okay, very nice, no scent. It has like a minty feel, so I really like the minty feel on that. So even actually the cheek is a balm as well, so I'm gonna just put this directly onto my cheeks. Go ahead and dig into that. It's definitely a peach color. Yeah, not really a big fan of these types of like creams, and I'd rather have my lips be, my cheeks be more like matte finish, so it's kind of messy. And then the color, for the right look, I'm just not in the mood right now for wearing like peachy stuff, so I rather do kind of like more like dolly pink, like this type of color pink. I like that color pink. But nonetheless, it's still a nice color and texture. I'm just gonna calm it down, pat some powder over it. That way it won't be like too sticky or anything like that. I don't need like this hair of mine like getting stuck to the cheeks. And I'll also put some on my nose, and I'll probably also just go ahead and put this on my lips. Why not? Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the eyeshadow. Wow, I'm just really at all. There's a lot of colors, so you can definitely create a lot of looks with this. Gosh, I know I should be trying out different colors, but I think I'm gonna just stick with yellow for now, and then we'll go from there. I'm kind of feeling these two colors. So I did a lot of pinks in February, and then of course, so I'm gonna try something different. This color is called Water Slide. So what I really want to do with this water slide is really actually outline my entire eye. If it's bold enough to do that, it's actually a lot more mustard than like bright yellow, which I kind of am disappointed. I want it to be more yellow, of course, but not a problem. Not as bold. So should I do like fun color or this color? This is kind of neat. I kind of want to swatch it. It's really gold. So that's kind of pretty. Maybe I'll use that. Should we try green? So here's the green. The pigment is very nice. Let's try popsicle. Popsicle. Well, yeah, it's kind of like, it's almost like real powdery though, so can't get everywhere. So popsicle. So I think I need a little bit something more bold on the bottom. I'm gonna play with maybe some camping. And with camping, I'm gonna put that on my lash line on the bottom. And then, like, oh my gosh, I dipped my finger in it and my finger totally indented that. That's some soft eyeshadow. Let's try a little bit of this fun color, why not? Super golden fun. It's really pretty. I like how that it's very dolly-like, super cute. Let's try, what does this color look like? And that's really pretty too, so I could do that on the top. And let's just try one more color, Heat. Well, that's really pretty too. I kind of want to mess with the hiking, so I'm gonna put a little bit of hiking very lightly. I'm gonna put a little bit of the glitter, iridescent glitter, orange, over the line. So it's like that. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit over there. Put a little bit of like camping, maybe on the outside corner. I forgot I was supposed to be using these brushes, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of some eyelashes, eyeliner, and some highlight, and then I will show you guys my final look. Hi dolls. Okay, so actually I'm just gonna be touching up a little bit. I cut some of the black eyeliner, got messy on the bottom lid, so just gonna outline a little bit more using the color Hiking from the palette. And then I also want to, this is kind of like a Care Bear. I don't know, I feel like I would call this like the Care Bear look or something like that. I didn't want to use this brush, but I see like there's like a little gap right here that I could probably fill it in with something. So I think I'm going to just go with like this cool pink Heat. Let's just do it. All right. So wish me luck. Okay. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this Skin Illuminating LA colors right here. So, some powder. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Apply some of the blush. So it's really sweet, it's really Care Bear, and it still has that fun element to it. I really like it. And I would probably also want to put my Too Faced gloss on. So it's this one, it's the nude one. Alright dolls, I had so much fun hanging out with you today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I look forward to March's giveaways, and congratulations to February's giveaways. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up on the screen. And I will talk to you dolls later. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye dolls!